Seeing a DB file is confusing because it depends on context. Is it a useless Thumbs.db file created by Windows, or an actual database file full of contacts? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the file header to see if you can delete it or if you need a SQL viewer. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier DB file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. The file header identifies the DB extension as belonging to the database file type. The design foundation relies solely on the mobile device database file type. The DB file type typically denotes a generic database file used to store structured data. For SQLite, which uses this extension, the file represents an entire self-contained SQL database that can be read and written by applications without needing a separate server process, making it ideal for local storage and mobile apps. The SQLite project, developed by Dwayne Richard Hipp, defines the structure of this DB file. The design rules focus on simplicity and transactional integrity. All definitions, tables, indexes, and data are stored in a single disk file, guaranteeing that database transactions are atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable, ACID compliant. The core professional tool for handling the DB format is SQLite from Dwayne Richard Hipp. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows cannot decode indexes or constraints, so interpretation relies on the correct DB tool. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the DB file and choose Open With. Start with SQLite if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you cannot access the DB file, no problem. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, check read-write access. Ensure the user account has read and write permissions to the folder where the DB file is stored. Lack of proper permissions can prevent the database application from successfully opening or accessing the file. Next, test with correct software. Confirm you are using a database tool, like SQLite Explorer or a specific application, compatible with the file format. Unlike simple text files, database files require a client or program that understands the internal data structure to be read. Finally, restore from backup. If the file throws errors and cannot be opened, restore the last known working version from a backup. Database files are susceptible to corruption from hardware failure or incomplete saves, making recovery difficult without a backup. If the earlier steps prove the file needs deeper inspection, it's not worth more trial and error. The smart move is to skip the frustration and try the specialized tool. The simple fix is File Magic. It's the recommended universal viewer for any complex DB file. Download it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Hope your file stays open.